Are there any replacements from Honeywell for the discontinued infrared products, including the infrared emitters and sensors? When Honeywell Advanced Sensing Technologies obsoletes a product or replaces it with newer technology, we want to do so while minimizing impact on our customers' applications. Effective May 31, 2018, the entire infrared sensor product line, including the HOA and SE series sensors and all the related part numbers, have been discontinued with no replacements due to the obsolescence of existing infrared sensor starting material and the phase-out of processing equipment. Interested engineer and electrical teams will need to contact one of the following companies to determine if their products will meet the application requirements. Optech Technology still has infrared sensors on offer, and their website can be found at www.optechnic.com. Alternatively, Vishay is another potential supplier found at www.vishay.com.